Hey guys, this is Victor with DIY Time Tech, and today we're going to take a look at how to replace rollers on Fujitsu Fi-series scanner. This particular one is model number FI6130, but this process will also work on many other models because they often share similar or the same internal components. The most common symptoms of the worn out rollers are frequent paper jams, the scanner not picking up any paper at all, or scanner picking up 2 or more pages at the same time. Now let's take a look at how you can inspect the rollers on one of these scanners. First, detach the top paper tray from the scanner. Next, depress the release lever and open the scanner. Now you can easily inspect the pick rollers, the brake rollers, and the feed rollers for any signs of wear or physical damage. And as you can clearly see here, one of these rollers is completely worn out and the other one is at the very end of its life. To fix this problem, I'm using this service and maintenance kit, which includes the cleaning supplies and a set of brand new rollers for this scanner. And if you're interested, I'm going to post a link in the description area below where you can buy all of these parts. To take out the pick roller, open the plastic cover, rotate the lever, then slide the roller to the left, and then lift it up and take it out. Next, depress the release tab and then remove pick roller from the shaft. Next, insert the new pick roller, aligning the screw on the shaft with the slot in the pick roller. Attach the pick roller shaft to the scanner in the reverse order. Set the right side of the pick roller into the place first and then attach the left side. Next, rotate the pick roller lever back to its original position. And then close the plastic cover and make sure that both sides are locked firmly. To replace the brake roller, first depress both sides of the brake roller cover and then pull it down to open it. Next, lift up the right side of the brake roller and then take it out. Next, depress the release tab and then remove the brake roller from the shaft. Attach the new brake roller and then align the tab on the shaft with the slot on the new brake roller. Next, insert the left side of the shaft into the scanner first and then attach the right side of the shaft. Close the brake roller cover and then close the scanner. Attach the top paper tray and then test your scanner to make sure it's working properly. And finally, if necessary, go to your scanner software and reset the page counter for your new brake and pick rollers. Alright, that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.